Are you tired of scrolling through a messy tag list just to find one segment? Learn to organize all your Klaviyo tags with a custom group in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to your profile settings and open the Tags page. Then, create a tag group, add tags, and click Create Tag Group to finish. Click your profile icon at the bottom left. Click Settings from the drop-down menu. Click Tags in the left sidebar. Next, look for the New Tag Group button, usually at the top right of the Tags page, and give it a click to start creating your group. Type a descriptive tag group name. Type the first tag in the Tags field.
Click Add Tag to save it to the group.
Type the next tag in the same group. Click Add Tag again to add the second tag. Click Create Tag Group to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.